Hi, I'm David Schiavone, Cadillac Escalade Product Manager, and I'm here to walk you through some of our favorite features of the all-new 2021 Cadillac Escalade. The Escalade is all about bold, powerful style and groundbreaking innovation. It's next-level technology paired with an extraordinary attention to detail and craftsmanship create a feeling you can only get from driving an Escalade. The Escalade has been a cultural institution ever since its first appearance in 1998. The latest iteration features a completely new design that let our designers and engineers elevate the experience even further. Now, let's hear from the folks who developed some of our favorite areas of the new Escalade.
An Escalade is all about presence. It has a sense of arrival. And this is the all-new 2021 Cadillac Escalade. The Escalade brings to life the vision of the Escala show car through its unique use of technology and craftsmanship, while maintaining the vehicle's iconic presence and its bold exterior dimensions. Aside from the interior, perhaps the most obvious connection is the face. The new interpretation of our vertical lamp signature adds a horizontal headlamp as a nod to Escala, but it also reinforces the vehicle's broad proportions. The tall, vertical rear light signature adds deep three-dimensional layers and finishes with detailed etching. Turning to the interior, the Escala was obviously the inspiration. The instrument panel is down low with a flowing design into the door and the console and an exquisite use of craftsmanship and materials. Our goal was to take advantage of the super thin attributes of the OLED technology and expose the display by making it stand proud on the IP. But it also has to be driver-centric, more conducive to the driver's predominant line of sight and reach. The screen is wrapped in leather and features a backlit Cadillac crest on the rear. The crest is visible from the outside of the vehicle and it illuminates and it welcomes you as you approach it. Surrounding the screen is beautiful wood decor and wrapped surfaces. Every aspect of this interior raises the level of craftsmanship. The Escalade also features 36 speakers throughout the vehicle, and they are embellished with real metal grills that have custom patterns. The speaker grille design even harmonizes with the seat patterns. Reinforcing our focus on the customer, the Escalade features 9 interior trim combinations with 4 unique seat insert patterns and 7 hand-selected wood interiors. Cadillac's cut and sewn technique can be found throughout, as well as Escala-inspired cloth interior components for a timeless and contemporary design.
Of course, as you enter the 2021 Escalade, you'll see our industry-first curved OLED screen with 38 inches of total diagonal display space. This beautiful screen has twice the pixel density of a 4K TV and enables bold imagery, perfect blacks, and the largest color range of all automotive applications. The OLED display consists of a 7.2-inch control panel to the left of the steering wheel, a 14.2-inch cluster display behind the steering wheel, and a 16.9-inch infotainment screen. The OLED display is complemented by dual individually controlled 12.6-inch rear seat entertainment screens that allow for a variety of connectivity options, including access to the onboard navigation system. This enables the rear occupant to track progress along the route, plus search and send navigation destinations to the driver. The rear seat entertainment system hosts the largest displays and is the only one to offer Android Auto capability in its class. This incredible OLED screen has let Cadillac engineers make full use of its capabilities, bringing to life features like extensive augmented reality supporting your navigation experience, night vision, which helps instill confidence on night drives, Google Street View showing your intended destination, HD surround vision cameras with many different view options. Notice how the OLED screen is clearly visible from a variety of angles with minimal glare and reflection thanks to the extensive testing and development of an engineered light control film. The display itself is only about as thick as a piece of paper, which has opened up a world of new interior design opportunities.
Of course, we knew the next-gen Escalade needed an audio system befitting of its iconic status. So we embarked on the first ever automotive collaboration with Cadillac to bring 2 new audio sound systems to the Escalade. The 19-speaker AKG Studio system, offering the most standard speakers in its class, is specially tuned for the interior of the 2021 Escalade, delivering an excellent studio sound experience. The available AKG Studio reference system utilizes 36 speakers and 28 amplifier channels to create a 360-degree sound experience throughout the entire cabin that is completely unique to the Escalade. Not only does AKG bring studio-grade sound for when you're listening to your favorite music, but Cadillac and AKG have seamlessly integrated the system with conversation enhancement that lets the third row passenger easily communicate with the front row, navigation rendering, which gives both directional and distance-related audio navigation prompts. Surround technology has been taken up a notch, utilizing a unique algorithm that analyzes the audio content to create an immersive surround field. And front passenger volume control. The front row passenger can now take charge of their own personal audio experience.
Underneath the Escalade sits a longer wheelbase and new independent rear suspension that allowed Cadillac engineers to transform the ride and handling dynamics of the 2021 Escalade. Thanks to the independent rear suspension, engineers didn't need to compromise between cargo and passenger room, creating a 41% increase in third row legroom, a 67.8% increase in cargo space behind the third row for the short wheelbase, second row sliding seats that allow for increased distance between the first and second row seats, an improved entry and exit for second and third row occupants, and an improved third row seating position. The new independent rear suspension gives the Escalade ESV more cargo volume than any other vehicle in its class, and that goes for all three rows. It also helps deliver quietness and reduces noise, vibration, and harshness. This is achieved by allowing independent movement of the rear wheels over road imperfections and by reducing unsprung mass. The Cadillac Escalade is also the only luxury SUV to employ magnetic ride control, which reads the road 1,000 times per second. That means the vehicle is reading every inch of the road at 60 miles per hour. This is complemented by an air ride adaptive suspension and an electronic limited slip differential, which delivers precise body control and remarkable agility for a large SUV. The air ride adaptive suspension offers up to 4 inches of ride height adjustment, perfect for entry egress, load leveling, off-roading, or even trailering. The system operates through an air compressor connected to the rear air springs, which lowers or raises the ride height in order to maintain an even stance.
Escalade will be the first full-size SUV with available Supercruise. Supercruise is the only true hands-free driver assistance system for compatible highways. Unlike other driver assistance systems, Supercruise utilizes 2 advanced technology systems, a driver attention system and a LiDAR-generated high-definition map, both providing added confidence for the driver. The driver attention system uses a small camera located on the top of the steering column and works with infrared lights to determine that the driver is paying attention to the road ahead whenever Supercruise is in operation. The high-definition LiDAR map technology enables Supercruise to be used on more than 200,000 miles of compatible highways in the United States and Canada, and there's more to come. An enhanced version of Supercruise is available on the 2021 Escalade, which includes new features, like lane change on demand, allowing the hands-free system to change lanes on the highway when requested by the driver and certain conditions are met.
The 2021 Escalade is offered with a choice of 2 engines, a 6.2-liter V8 with dynamic fuel management or the 3-liter Duramax diesel. Both options are paired to a 10-speed transmission. Both engines provide a smooth power delivery and easily accessible torque, perfect for making your way around town, hitting the highway, or even trailering. The Escalade includes many new trailering technologies, including the integrated trailering app, trailer side blind zone alert, and a trailer label, providing the exact capabilities of your vehicle.
The Cadillac Escalade has defined the full-size luxury SUV market since its introduction 22 years ago and continues to embody the spirit of Cadillac. Seamless integration of technology and craftsmanship with bold, powerful style and groundbreaking innovation. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your time with the new 2021 Escalade.
AKG has and always will be dedicated to the impact of sound and of music on our lives.
Exclusive to Cadillac, this is AKG's first collaboration of its kind. We're pushing the boundaries of what you thought automotive audio could be and introducing a whole new level of in-vehicle listening experience.
Since its founding in 1947 in Vienna, a city with an incredible musical legacy, the name AKG has become synonymous with the highest sound standards and is revered for its dedication to acoustic perfection by engineers, artists, and producers all over the world. It's been a part of some of the music industry's most iconic and memorable moments, and is now a constant presence on tours and in studios all over the world. This is an audio brand of the highest quality, where creativity, innovation, and craftsmanship are at the heart of its DNA. AKG is truly dedicated to letting the creativity born in the studio shine through. After more than 50 years of bringing sound from the studio to the stage, we are beyond excited to introduce AKG's latest innovation in collaboration with the perfect automotive brand who embodies our values and our vision, Cadillac.
Our goal in developing the audio systems was to deliver professional studio sound in every seat in the vehicle. Users will have the opportunity to experience a multi-channel audio system with carefully placed speakers, finely tuned to deliver sound precisely as it was inspired. It's like a personal VIP studio session. Exclusively for Cadillac, we built two distinct AKG audio systems. First, standard on the Escalade, is the AKG Studio System with 19 speakers on 14 amplifier channels and surround with proprietary software that maintains the original intent of the recording artist. Second, available on the Escalade, is the AKG Studio Reference System. It contains 36 speakers, 4 of which are in the headliner, on 28 amplifier channels, and a surround 3D slider that's customizable by the user to create a fully immersive experience. AKG Studio Reference is standard on Platinum models, as is befitting the highest levels of Cadillac luxury. All of this combines to create a rich acoustic environment with unmatched clarity and precision.
What makes this collaboration so special? It's an obsession of innovation and creativity for AKG and Cadillac, driven by the desire to continually evolve and to never be satisfied. It's for the creatives, it's for the bold, for those who want more from their experiences, and for those who never stop arriving. Cadillac was the only automaker we wanted to work with to bring AKG to this whole new level, to help develop our vision of AKG as the what's next in sound. Together, AKG and Cadillac have developed a high-end audio system in the all-new 2021 Escalade.
We have an array of impressive and new technologies we've implemented in the new Cadillac Escalade. With conversation enhancement, microphone arrays will pick up the occupants' voices and transmit them from the front row to the rear row, or rear row to the front row, making sure everyone is included in the conversation. Navigation rendering, using real-time spatial audio imaging, will enhance navigation prompts and turn-by-turn directions. For example, when you hear turn right, the sound will be from the speakers on the right side of the vehicle. Surround mode utilizes a unique audio algorithm that analyzes the audio content and provides a very immersive surround field. The rear surround mode provides a unique audio tuning specifically for the second row. The front passenger volume feature allows the front passenger to take control of their volume level. It allows them to raise or lower the volume relative to the rest of the vehicle. All of this new technology has been designed to produce features that are simple and clear for the user, so they'll have no trouble making the most of them.
Like AKG and Cadillac, music and driving are a natural fit. With the pure studio sound of AKG, you'll uncover nuances in your favorite tracks you've never heard before, making the process of enjoying new music even more rewarding than ever. AKG's cutting-edge technology makes every trip easier. Turn-by-turn navigation will certainly get you in the direction you're heading, but how often have you missed a turn or an exit because it comes up too quickly, especially with a car full of people and communication? With AKG's navigation rendering, you can be secure in knowing your Escalade will get you exactly where you need to go. With sophisticated materials and finishes, the highest attention to detail, and a focus on innovation and craftsmanship, AKG and Cadillac have brought to the Escalade the finest audio system we've ever assembled. The next evolution of car audio innovation has arrived.